Vast agricultural fields are nothing in common in Germany, but nowadays the farmers have to stand up against new challenges brought by nature, and the Germans have a plan. Roger Meyer has been breeding goats for almost 10 years in his farm located in northern Germany. Now there is almost 100 of goats, and Roger always ensures all of them are in good health. Every goat produces at least 2 liters of milk every day. As Roger is managing an eco-farm, goats here are fed only with organic forage.
Dass wir eben die ganzen Futtermittel, die wir einsetzen, kommen eben aus 100% biologischem Anbau. Und biologischer Anbau bedeutet eben, dass wir auf mineralische Dünger verzichten, leicht lösliche Mineraldünger und auf die ganzen Pflanzenschutzmittel.
This business is greatly affected by fickle weather conditions. That's why Roger has decided to seriously prepare for the coming winter.
Da haben wir letztes Jahr einfach Sachen erlebt, die letzten 2 Jahre, dass wir eingeschneit sind an Standorten, wo wir dann mit der Versorgung Probleme hatten. Und da werden wir dieses Jahr einfach den Standort wechseln, sodass wir dann auch für einen starken Winter gefeit sind.
If the milk is not delivered to Rognitz, a little village just a few kilometers from the farm, there will be no dairy products in this shop. It is because Ute Robeck uses the goat milk to produce cheese.
One goat is giving around 2 liters of milk, and we are working with 1,600 liters per week. That's around 200 kilogram of cheese every week.
Then the main concern is to sell all the production. In this shop, called Art and Cheese, there are almost 20 kinds of handmade goat cheese, and all of them are labeled with the bioproducts trademark. The cheese is regularly delivered to Hamburg and Lübeck, but never to the shops further than 80 kilometers away from Rognitz. The reason is simple. Mrs. Robeck wants to maintain direct communication with every customer.
That is a circle where the consumers have the possibility to come back here and to have a look what we are making, and most of them do this. They are coming just once a year or something like that, but they are coming.
Then she introduces people with goats living in her farm so that the customers would really see where the milk comes from. It seems that the business principles of Mrs. Robeck are successful, as in the local market there are many customers willing to buy her cheese. However, here the competition between the vendors is serious, as a great number of people from all the Schalsee region has come to offer various homemade products.
100%igen Saft, das bekommt man kaum noch irgendwo. Gibt irgendwelche Zusätze, von denen wir nicht wissen. Wir wissen einfach nicht genau, was wir trinken, wenn wir in einem Supermarkt Apfelsaft kaufen. Und das kommt hier aus der Umgebung, das kommt hier von unserer Streuobstwiese, und das ist eine gute Sache.
Once a month, hundreds of people visit this market to buy, for example, fresh vegetables, fruits and meat, or just to chat with the neighbors.
Ich komme aus Ratzeburg, das ist hier ja fast in der Nähe. Das haben wir schon gekauft. Wir wollen jetzt noch ein gute Laune Schaf kaufen und ein Glas Honig haben wir schon gekauft. Ja, und die ganze Atmosphäre hier so rundherum gefällt uns sehr gut.
Dass wir das, was die Anlieger, also die hier ansässigen Bauern produzieren, dass wir das auch gerne essen. Erstens unterstützen sie ein wenig damit und die Qualität ist gut.
Now, after 10 years of existence, this market is well recognized and attended by some 3,000 people every year. How will people succeed in cultivation of different crops here in the future remains unclear. Scientists alert about notable changes agriculture in Germany is going to face due to global warming.
Der Winterniederschläge geben, es wird eine Zunahme der Vorsommertrockenheit geben und es wird eine Zunahme von Starkniederschlägen bzw. extrem Witterungsereignissen geben. Das heißt,
scientists have observed that the average temperature in Germany over the last century has increased by at least 1 degree. Prolonged drought periods mostly affect the farmers.
Wir versuchen dem entgegenzuwirken durch extrem frühe Aussaaten von Weizen, Gerste und Raps. In dem Gebiet sagen wir fangen mit der Einsaat 2 Wochen bis 4 Wochen eher an wie normal, vor Wintereinbruch die Wurzeln möglichst tief im Boden zu haben.
At the same time, higher air temperatures are suitable for growing corn, so now Hartmut Dwyer has large plantations of this crop. Here though, corn is never served on the dining table, but used for the production of biogas, which later is converted into renewable heat and electricity. Corn overcrops the soil, which is why farmers are looking for alternatives. Some farmers adjust to climate change by testing various plants in their fields. Here, for example, topinambours have been introduced. It is possible that soon a plant called sunroot may be the solution to how to meet the growing demand for biomass in Germany. Mr. Dwyer is currently working closely with scientists to test this plant.
Die Topinambur haben wir das zweite Jahr im Anbau. Der hat im ersten Jahr ca. 2/3 vom Gasertrag des Maises gebracht, sodass wir sagen, vielleicht geht es weiter, weil wir die Anbaukosten dafür sparen. Das ist halt auch eine mehrjährige Kultur, die wir nicht jedes Jahr neu anbauen müssen.
According to Mr. Dwyer, competition is fierce, so it is important for farmers to adjust to the new circumstances. Last year, he invested in solar panels that now cover the roof of one of the household buildings. Mr. Dwyer believes in this innovation as there is a lot of sunlight in Germany and good state-guaranteed prices on solar power. All in all, this is how the Germans are getting prepared for the climate change. They experiment with different crops and with the help of modern technology try to develop their businesses in more sustainable ways.